Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadaria and today I am going to show you how easily we can factorize cubic polynomial. So this is a cubic polynomial and on the basis of degree, or you can say on the basis of highest power, you will come to know that how many factors you will get. So this is cubic polynomial, highest power is 3, or you can say degree is 3. So here we will get 3 factors. So how easily we can find out these 3 factors? Let me tell you, for class 9th CBSE, in this cubic polynomial, either x plus 1 will be a factor or x minus 1 will be a factor. Out of that 3 factors, compulsory they will give you one, either x plus 1 or either x minus 1. So how we can find out whether it is x minus 1 or x plus 1? So for that, what we need to do, first of all we need to do addition of all these coefficients. So coefficient of x cube is 1 plus coefficient of 13x square, means x square is 13, then coefficient of x is 32, and coefficient of last term, that is 20. Here the sum is 52, 53, 54, 55, 65, 66. So here the sum is not equals to 0. If your sum is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. But here the sum is not 0, so x minus 1 is not a factor. X minus 1 is not a factor. If you are getting 0 equals to 0, then you can say x minus 1 is a factor. So now if x minus 1 is not a factor, then you need to move on to the other condition, that whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. How we can check that? Just you need to take the coefficients of odd power variables. So here odd power 3 and 1. So you need to take coefficient of that too. So coefficient of x cube is 1 and coefficient of x raised to 1 is 32, and you need to add them. So here 1 plus 32, 33, and then coefficient of even powers, this x square and x raised to 0 will come. So that is 13 plus 20. So that is also 33. Here both these are equal. When you are getting both this addition equal, at that time you can say that x plus 1 is a factor. So first you need to check this condition in all the questions. So here x minus 1 is not a factor, so x plus 1 is a factor. So one of the factor of this is x plus 1, that we come to know. Now what we need to do? Now we need to divide this with this x plus 1. Division, let us divide. X plus 1 is one of the factors, so now divide this by x plus 1. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now we need to divide. So let us divide x into x square will give you x cube. For this, first of all, you should know division. So if you don't know division, first watch my other video on dividing a polynomial by polynomial. Now x square into 1 will give you x square. Now every time you need to subtract, so sign change. X cube minus x cube will get cancelled. 13x square minus 1x square will give you 12x square plus 32x plus 20. Now you need 12x square. So what you are going to multiply with x? You are going to multiply 12x. 12x into x will give you 12x square. And 12x into 1 will give you 12x. Now again you need to subtract. So when you are subtracting, sign change. So this will get cancelled. 13 minus 12, 20x plus 20. Now you need 20x and x is there. So we are going to multiply with 20. 20 into x, you will get 20x. And 20 into 1, you will get 20. So now sign change because of subtraction. So both this will get cancelled, and every time guys, every time you will get 0 only. If you are not getting 0, means that you had done some mistake in the division. Okay, so every time you will get 0 only here in this type of question. Now other two factors you will get from this by splitting the middle term. Let me do splitting the middle term of this, x square plus 12x plus 20. So find out the factors of 20 in such a way that multiplication will be 20 and addition will be 12. You should know splitting the middle term. If you don't know, watch my other videos of splitting the middle term, guys. So here 10 twos are 20 and 10 plus 2 12. So the factors, or you can say splitting, will be x square plus 10x plus 2x. So look here, I had done splitting. Now take out common from this 2. So here x common, x plus 10 plus 2 common from this. So x plus 10. So the other two factors are x plus 10 and x plus 2. And already we were having first factor, this x plus 1. That also you can keep here, x plus 1. So these are the three factors of this polynomial, guys. So this way you can solve. If still you are having any doubt, then guys join me on Unacademy app in morning 9 AM. I am going to solve your all doubt there, guys. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number and select this goal. Now they had added class 9th 10th IIT JEE in this front of this. So new name is class 9 10th IIT JEE Foundation. That course you need to select and use my referral code Galaxy Galaxy Coaching, sorry, so that you can join me on my free classes, guys. Yes, free classes every day morning 9 AM, guys. You can join me there. And for plus also you can use this Galaxy Coaching as code. That will give you 10% discount. After downloading, just you need to search and doing all this, search my name Chetan Wadhadia and click on the follow button nearby that, so that you will get notification of all my classes. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.